We're labeling this as a course, but it's not really a course. It's a step-by-step program to get you to dominate Google. So let's begin. My name is Miro Posavec, and we're going to dominate Google starting right now. I'm not going to lecture. We're not going to just sit on your butt and listen to me ramble on. We're going to do this. We're going to do it step by step. So here we go. I've done this as a lecturer, and it's boring, painfully boring, because this is technical, dry computer stuff. I'm going to take it step by step, and we're going to finish it right now. At the end of this program, you will have set up all the tools you need to access Google. You're going to have the best Google local listing of anybody else in your market. Okay, what that means is someone goes on their cell phone to look up check cashing, payday, auto title, you're going to come up at the very top. You're going to have a beautiful listing. You're going to have coupons on it. You're going to have positive referrals. It's going to be gorgeous. It's going to be number one. I don't care if they're on the Mac. I don't care if they're on their Android phone. It's going to be number one. So whether they're on a PC, a tablet, or a smartphone, you're going to be number one, and that's what you want. You can't pay for that kind of advertising, but you have to work for it. So here, right now, we're going to do the work. So I'm going to go pretty fast. If you get lost, go back, rewind, and do it over. I'm going to do this step by step. I'm going to try not to miss any steps, but I want you to pay attention and do it. So let's get to work. You're going to need a phone line. You're going to need the phone line for one reason. We're going to set up a Google Voice number, and for that, Google needs to call a telephone to verify that you have control over it. So you're going to need a phone line for one of your office lines. I don't care if it's a cordless phone, I don't care if it's a cell phone, I don't care what it is. You're going to have to have a phone line ready to do this. Okay? You're going to need two computers. Okay? One computer to play the video, which is me, and one to actually do what we're doing. So, like I said, we're not lecturing here. You're going to be doing this as we're doing this. So, that's what you need. Two computers or one tablet, whatever you use, I don't care. But you're going to need to go along with this. I'm not going to teach you how to do this. You don't need to do this every week. You just need to do this the one time. Next, you're going to need a digital camera with video. Most cameras have video anyhow. Why do you need a digital camera with video? Because your Google profile is so much more powerful when you have pictures and video. So, you absolutely have to have photos and a video of your location. If you have some interviews with your staff, whatever you have, I don't care what it is. Before you even start on this program, get that digital camera, take a bunch of pictures of your location, do it from different angles, different lighting. You don't have to be Ansel Adams over here. You need pictures to help people find your location on their phone. So if you're beside the yellow building, take a picture of the yellow building, take a picture of your location, say, look, we're right here beside the yellow building. We want to make this as idiot-proof as possible. We want to remove any obstacles or difficulties that the customer may have to finding your store. Next, you have to shoot videos. I want all kinds of short videos, 3 or 4 of them. Look, I don't care if you think you're pretty, I don't care if you think you're not pretty, none of these things matter to me, okay? You need to shoot some quick video that says, hi, welcome to our store. In order to get a loan from our store, you need to bring the following items with you. You need to bring in your pay stub, you need to bring in your bank statement, and a copy of the utility bill. Make sure you have your ID, because we need that to make sure who you are. That's the kind of thing I'm looking for. And you need to have a bunch of them in simple, welcoming stuff. We just want to get something quick and dirty up. If you want to spend some money down the road and have a bunch of people do it professionally, fine. I don't care about that. Right now, we need a video up there. Why? Because Google searches by video and by pictures. We want to create a robust, easily searchable profile for you on the Google local search. So for that reason, you need to have a bunch of pictures and some video done. If you don't have it, stop this video, go get a camera. I don't care if you buy a $75 camera at Walmart. They will all do video, they will all take pictures. Doesn't have to be fancy, doesn't have to be pretty, it just has to get done. Okay? Next. How much computer skills do you need here? Not a lot. I just need you to be able to get the video and the pictures off the camera onto your computer. The rest of it we'll handle here. But that's the amount of computer skills you're going to need to go. Okay? So here we go. Now we're going to get started right away. This is the Powerhouse Mastery Course for Google. It is a step-by-step guide to using the free tools of Google to increase your storefront, payday loan business. So this is our agenda. This is what we're going to cover. Okay, now at this point, I'm assuming you already have your phone ready, got your camera, took your pictures, you're all set up. Let's get to work. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to cover Gmail, Google Voice, Google SMS, Google Calendar, Drive, YouTube, Photos, Analytics, AdWords, and we're going to access and dominate your local Google listing site. Now here's what's important, okay? Any one of these items can and will be an entire 2-month course. We're not doing that. We're just doing the bare essentials, get you in, get it set up, get you using it, and I absolutely encourage you to go back in after the fact and mess around with it. But right now we're going to set it up, we're going to get you started, and we're going to get you going, okay? So let's rock and roll.